The Retevis radio Rt22. The radio have just 13 mm, 109 gram, easy to hold in the hand and put in the pocket. They have USB charging on the side, and the radio have a standard programming port and hyphen and auxiliary port in the side. Turn the radio.
Power on 15, 16.
Turn clockwise to increase volume.
1,
Counterclockwise to decrease volume.
16,
Rt22 FS radio has 16 channels.
16. 1,
You can press this button to enter channel plus.
2,
Press the button enter channel reduce.
1,
Switch to channel 7.
7,
Then turn off the radio. Press the button and turn on the radio at the same time.
VOX on, power on 7,
There will be a voice box on or box off.
14, 11, 12, 13, 14.
喂 ，hello， 喂，hello。